a special guest here. Yeah. Tell them your
Phoenix
channel
YT.
name. Tell them your channel name.
It's Phoenix YT, but my handle is MineBlocksMania. MineBlocksMania.
Okay, guys, I'll put a picture of his profile on screen. But so, bro, where do you want to go first? Like chicken.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go chicken, and then let's go to the
0G area or
no
where?
gravity. No gravity.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna get.
I'm gonna buy a brown backpack.
I got $7,000, so I got.
Hey, look how much money I have.
Oh my.
Yeah, I'll distract him and you get the thing, okay?
Okay.
You get the.
Did we go the wrong way?
No, it's over here.
Let me get on top of. Good. Thank. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it, bro. You can jump down now. Make it quicker.
I made it.
Okay, bro. Are you ready?
Yes. Is it in your backpack?
Yeah.
Woo. How's that? You missed.
Ready to catch it in, bro?
Okay, let's
How much money did we make? We can make a lot.
something cool.
We can make a lot more than that. Yeah.
Yeah, but didn't see something?
Okay, bro.
Let's go grab a flashlight.
Yeah, we need a flashlight for the 0G scare. You made it?
Yeah, I survived because he can't get past this.
It's not possible. He can't get past
Okay, bro. Ready? I'm scared to go in there. Yeah, bro, my ducky. My favorite ducky.
Oh, yeah, bro. His name is Gerald.
Take care. Bro, wait. Okay, bro, come on.
Same, bro. I hate the parkour. This is my least favorite part, parkour. The parkour, I always get so scared I'm gonna die. Whew.
Oh, I was at the edge, bro. Oh, I almost fell. At least this isn't as bad. This isn't really parkour, except this part. Ooh, I'm happy we made it. Because that was scary. Yo, bro, I just hate music. I just hate music, bro.
Watch it respawn. Watch it respawn. There are ticking bombs.
There's like
There's
two
one right
there.
there. Let's just run past it.
Bro! Bro!
I made it. Are you?
I didn't make it. extremely good, bro. This is like really good.
This is my favorite game, bro.
Same here. Oh,
They're better than Gorilla Tag.
okay, bro. I have a question. Try to guess. Did I get the Gorilla Tag plushie?
Did you get the what?
The new Gorilla Tag plushie.
Yes.
Yeah, but I have a managed account, and the problem is with a managed account is that I can't talk to people in Gorilla Tag.
Oh yeah, because it makes it just monkey noises automatically.
The rock I have ever seen.
Yeah, but bro, dude, it's so annoying. It's so annoying that they did that update where you can't do it. They changed it to where on the managed accounts you have to have monkey sounds on. It's right there.
Take the barn.
Whee!
Yo, we're back.
We
Woo!
made it. Let's go. I just splattered myself. Bro, I feel like queso right now.
Send me, bro. Ready, bro?
You wanna go to Loot Island?
Sure. I've never been there. Dude, how much money did we make? Let's see, Ann.
What? Oh, dang, that's a lot.
Yeah, that is actually a lot.
We need a flashlight and a backpack.
Yeah. Okay, monkeys, that's gonna be it for today's video. And if you want this guy to smack me in the face, make sure you subscribe. Wait, they subscribed. I'll see you guys next time.